Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a side project with Toptal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Toptal's website. Visit the Toptal homepage and click on the Get Started button. Fill out the application form with your personal details. Make sure to provide accurate information about your skills and experience. Next, complete the skills assessment. This may involve technical questions or practical tasks relevant to your expertise. Once you pass the assessment, prepare for an interview. In this interview, demonstrate your knowledge and problem-solving abilities. Be ready to discuss your past projects and how you can add value. After the interview, wait for Toptal's feedback. If accepted, you will be invited to join the Toptal network. Create a compelling profile that showcases your skills. Include your portfolio, past work experience, and client testimonials. Once your profile is live, start browsing available projects. Use the search filters to find projects that match your skills and interests. Apply to projects by submitting a tailored proposal. Highlight how your expertise aligns with the project needs. If selected, you'll be contacted for further discussions. Negotiate project terms and ensure clarity on deliverables. Once agreed upon, begin your side project with confidence. Stay proactive in communication throughout the project duration. Utilize the Toptal community for support and networking opportunities. After completion, ask for feedback and a review from your client. This will enhance your profile for future opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.